one at a time so that you can hear. I'll attempt next.
Think high. You can see it in your face. Think high.
Just think high.
Like a mountain.
Oh.
Think of the letters T, H, and C.
What?
Solid. That was almost the same.
Yeah, almost. Almost. It was very close, but... And Scary Ari is slaughtering her opponent.
Oh yeah, there's only 2 people left.
Well, no.
Y'all are irrelevant. You sit down.
Yeah, individually.
Well,
So.
no. It's individual now. We're playing different.
And Scary Ari switched the competition?
I think if she beats you, she get a point.
No, at least somebody should knock you out. If they can beat you, they get a point. So.
But if she wins, does she get 4 points?
No, she just gets one.
Are you prepared?
She did beat 4 people.
Yeah.
Okay, now the singing or actual singing? Because mine was singing.
It was too short to...
But Shanta was screaming on tune.
One more time.
Yeah. Gotta do it one more time.
That's okay.
Kaja. She's up.
It's Scary Ari with a look of arrogance.
Yeah, that's it.
Whoa.
And Scary Ari sweeps the competition.
Fatality.
See animals to land.
A bunch of dogs up here. We know why.
Oh. Am I going first? And then I can start?
Yeah.
That was screaming. Definitely. And I can
Wow, alligator.
Jesus.
I heard that something to my brain.
She couldn't surpass it.
So, Ariana gets a point. It's hard to hold on to your best.
Hey!
You!
Hey! You! No.
And the point goes to Ariana.
Very confused. Okay.
Peppy told us the story.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Jesus, I wasn't going to kill it. Did you have to kill it?
Oh no! Who did that? Who did that? Curse you!
Okay, I will challenge it.
I'll challenge. I'll challenge. Each person only gets 3 chances. So that we're not going
Just
forever.
attempt to move and we'll do it.
Each person gets 3 chances.
Okay.
Against her.